In political science and historiography, revisionism is the critical re-examination of historical facts we take for granted or considered settled. At its core, a revisionist's view challenges the orthodox or the standard. It looks at the narrative or an event by introducing new evidence or interpreting existing data through a different lens.
Reading through the comments on many of the things that the ANC do, I see a lot of people referring to South Africa of today under the current ANC regime as reverse apartheid or apartheid 2.0 or something of that sort. Now, this is profoundly incorrect to refer to South Africa's current regime as some form of apartheid, as apartheid was implemented by the National Party in South Africa from 1948 until 1992. What we are seeing here today is actually the exact opposite of reverse apartheid, in the sense that within apartheid, what was essentially the idea or the overarching idea of this was so-called separate development, and this was a group of policies that were implemented to develop different ethnic nations separately. That was the crux of apartheid. Now, the current regime wants to do the exact the exact opposite, in the sense that if you can describe apartheid as, in essence, forced segregation, what the current government is doing is forced integration. And this is much more damaging to the economy of South Africa than apartheid ever could be. And it's also, in some senses, much more damaging to the peoples who are targeted by the race laws against them in the current regime in South Africa.
Revisionism isn't necessarily a bad word. In fact, it is a standard part of academic or of the thinking process. It usually occurs due to new evidence, the discovery of classified documents, private letters, or archaeological finds. For example, the opening of Soviet archives after 1991. It can also happen because of shifting perspectives, such as changes to social values that lead historians to ask new questions, for example, looking at the apartheid regime. And it can also occur because of new methodologies, using modern data science, forensics, or linguistics to analyze old events. Thank you for listening. If you dare, buy us a coffee. The link is in the description.
Why are you running? Why are you running?